Good morning, everyone. No equipment, no excuses today. We're doing a quick 5-minute fat-burning workout that will jumpstart your metabolism and get you feeling energized for the day. It's perfect for beginners and perfect if you're short on time. So roll out of bed, no need for a gym, and let's get started. We'll begin with a quick warm-up. Just march in place, swing your arms, and get that blood moving. Remember, this is your workout, so listen to your body. If you're a beginner, take it easy, but if you've got more energy, go for it. Now let's kick off with jumping jacks for about 40 seconds. Stay light on your feet and keep breathing. If regular jacks feel too intense, just step side to side with your arms overhead. You'll still get your heart rate up. Keep moving. You've got this. Next up are squats. Place your feet shoulder width apart, push your hips back, and keep your chest up. We're working those legs and glutes, and trust me, they're your body's biggest calorie burners. If you're just starting out, go as low as you feel comfortable. Aim for about 10 to 12 squats. Now it's time for high knees. Drive those knees up and keep your core tight. If you're a beginner, simply march quickly in place. This is where we fire up that metabolism. Stay with me 20 more seconds. Don't quit now. Hit the floor for push-ups. If regular push-ups are tough, drop to your knees, same movement, just less pressure. Strong arms, strong chest, and your core will thank you too. Let's push through about 10 reps together. Time for a plank hold. Place your forearms down, keep your body straight, and engage your core. Don't let those hips drop. If this feels too tough, drop your knees, but keep your back flat. Hold strong. You've got this, just 20 more seconds. Awesome work. Let's cool down with a deep breath in and out. Stretch your arms overhead, shake out your legs, and give yourself a pat on the back. You just crushed a 5-minute fat-burning morning workout. If you enjoyed this quick workout, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want more fast, beginner-friendly fitness videos, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a workout. Comment below and tell me, what time of day do you like to work out? Morning, afternoon, or night? I'd love to know.